COVID-19 has forced the education sector to shift, and right now more than ever, the need for individual and homeschooling tools has emerged. At Arduino Education, we want to help educators and students by making remote learning experiences as smooth as possible. As a result, we present the Arduino Student Kit. The Arduino Student Kit is a hands-on step-by-step remote learning tool for students age 11 and up to learn the foundations of electronics and programming. Get started with the basics of electronics and programming at home. You will get all the hardware and software you need for one person, making it ideal to use for remote teaching, homeschooling, and for self-learning. There are step-by-step lessons, exercises, and for a complete and in-depth experience, there's also extra content, including invention spotlights, concepts, and interesting facts about electronics, technology, and programming. The student kit includes a logbook with exercises to complete during the lessons. Students can also use the logbook to find solutions and reflect on their answers and knowledge. The kit is linked to the STEAM curriculum, so you can be sure that your students are learning what they should. They will also learn skills such as critical and creative thinking and problem solving. Purchase your student kit now.